Turn your phone sideways with me to the left. Sorry for the noise in the background in my videos today. I keep trying to re-record, but I think my message is that I have to look for the good things in the bad. Like, I have to move forward with recording the nice bird sounds, even though there's noise in the background, because there's always going to be something that tries to stop us from doing what we want, but we just have to keep trying. And we have to appreciate the good things, even when the bad things are happening. I know, like, noise in the background isn't a bad thing, but like, it's just a metaphor. Can you focus on the birds? Can you tune everything else out? Or is that screaming the only thing you can hear? Hold on. Now my dog's trying to get my attention. But I want to get the last little bit of this 3-minute meditation for you. I hope you can hear some of the bird sounds at least. And find a little bit, like maybe you got 3 seconds of calm during this 3-minute video.